Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix invalid value registry here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, please tap for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match will appear. Just double tap it to continue. Okay, so now that you are here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of your screen and look for apps next to personalization. Click on it. And under the apps tab, you need to go with installed apps where you can uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Here you will be redirected to the list of applications that is present in your computer. Just have to wait until the load is done. And once it is being done, just have to scroll down and look for Microsoft Photos or Photos itself. So in my case, I have the photos under Microsoft Corporation, so it's the same. You can go with Microsoft Photos or Photos. Then aligning that, you can see there are three dots. Go with Advanced Options. So here at the Photos options, you need to scroll down, and there you can see an option called Reset, where you can repair and where you can reset the apps. Okay, just have to click on Repair, and the app's data won't be affected. And go with Reset. Click on Reset, and this will delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and signed in details. So it might delete the app's data, but it will fix your problem. Just have to click on it. Okay. And here, once done, just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.